Hey everybody, hope you're having a good day. Today we're going to be unboxing the Alcidae Tracer, which is a 360-degree motion tracking camera. They recently came out with it a few months ago and really want to just show you guys some of the features and what comes straight out of the box. So when you open it up, the first thing that you're going to usually see is going to be the user manual. Now this is going to give you a really good explanation and overview of how to set up the camera and most of the features of it. But for the sake of this video, we'll go ahead and move that to the side. The second thing you're going to see is going to be the device itself. As you can see, very beautiful, very nice. I like it a lot. Very sturdy, which I do appreciate in a camera. Put that to the side for now. Separate from all of that, we're going to be pulling out these fun things. Power cord, pretty standard. Second, which I really like, is they actually give you a power charging block, which I find really cool, so I'm going to put that down there. And then this is actually a wall mount, so if you don't want it to be standing vertically on a table or some flat surface, you can actually connect it to the bottom and then drill it in to the wall anywhere that you want to put it. Like I said, it is 360 degrees, so anywhere you put it on a wall or the roof, you're going to be able to see anywhere in that room with a very decent amount of ease. It also includes some additional hardware and fun things like that. So yeah, that's the unboxing of the Tracer. Hope you guys enjoy it. Have a good day.